You want to know the importance of having a really good set of microphones for your content creation? Let me show you. This is the audio of my phone without any microphone at all. No enhancement, no microphone, nothing, just my phone. And this is now the audio with the newer microphones that have one clip right here on my head. And this one actually comes with two microphones and a charging case. This right here is the charging case, and this right here is the receiver that you're gonna clip on your clothes, in your hat, or whatever you want. It also comes with a USB-C connector that is connected to my phone. That's the transmitter. It is connected to my phone. It's just plug and play. And you can actually connect both microphones at the same time. So if there are two people, you can have one and the other person can have the other one. Like if you're doing an interview or something like that, you can actually do that. And then you put them back in the charging case, just like this, close it, put it in the USB-C cable right here on the back, and in 1.5 hours they're gonna be fully charged, and each one of this can give you up to 8 hours of battery time. So that's actually really good, and you can see that it's a good quality as well. And by the way, yeah, it can also go far if you want, and this thing is gonna keep recording at the same quality because it has a really nice distance. So if you need a set of two microphones, good quality, 8 hours of playtime or actually recording time with a charging case and a USB-C, and of course plug and play, this could be really good ones for you. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.